the 1991 Daytona Busch car that we sat on the pole with. They had real glass. Front glass was real.
Yeah.
And we had chipped the glass in that car at Daytona. And I remember like, oh, yeah, you just call down here to the Buick store and just order a front windshield for a 1991 Oldsmobile. So we ordered one. They shipped it up to Wayne Days. We unboxed it, and we've got the car right there. We had no damage in the race other than windshields broke. So we pulled the windshield out of the box to put in the car. You know where I'm going, right? This thing is like 2 inches too wide. When we went to Daytona for the race, Kip McCord, team manager, he says, like, when they go to measure the door top, he said, I want you on the other side of whatever the official is that's checking that measurement. And more than likely, he's going to shoot you the tape measure through the car. Then when you're on the right side of the car, he's probably going to be on the left. I want you to cut that thing 2 inches. What do you mean cut it 2 inches? Like extend it. Past. Don't hook it on the edge. What happened, that car was narrow. Windshield's narrow.
Yeah.
But the windshield part of it, obviously they didn't have a template back then. But the door top measurement was when they physically did. So I'm like, oh my gosh. So yeah, they measured it and I cut it and it was right on the rule.
That's awesome.